Hi everyone, this is Mari here. In today's gameplay, we're going to focus on another new one for Unbit, and that is grab the object by identifying color. How can we achieve this gameplay? Come with me and take a close look. The target we're going to create today is to place 3 different color objects in front of the color sensor, including the red object, the green one, and the blue one. Microbit can identify the colors and show its corresponding initials on LED dot matrix screen, and the corresponding color will shown through RGB indicator. Then we'll grab the object to the specified position. So the principle of this gameplay is that there is a color sensor port on expansion board, as you can see it in this picture. And through the sensor port, we can get the RGB value from every object. Based on the value, we can know the color of the object. So after knowing the color, we can control the servo to a preset position and then grab the object. After grabbing, we need to put it on the specified position. So this is the whole gameplay. And this picture shows the color sensor. Before using the color sensor, please remember you need to code the initial microboard command on the very first. And this is the preparations that we need for this gameplay. We need to prepare the Unbit, the USB cable, and the computer. Using the USB cable to connect the microbit and the computer, you will see there will be another USB flash disk. Just click it and entering into our program interface. And please remember, we still need to use the 4 DuPont light and the color sensor. Here are the brief introduction for this color sensor. There are 4 pins on it. They are GND 3.3 V, which means 3.3 volts, SDA, SDL. So we need to connect them through using the DuPont line. This table shows the software commands for this gameplay. We can see all these commands comes from the microboard type, and we are using the current color, adjust white color, the black color, and set light color to show light, and the set the servo index command. And here are the explanation for all these commands. If you cannot understand it, you can refer to this one. So before showing the whole programs, I need to say you need to calibrate the color sensor first. So how can we calibrate? So how to calibrate the color sensor? Here are the examples. The calibration can be shown as this picture. We place a white paper in front of the color sensor about 2 cm. Then press button A. So as you can see, press the button A first. White calibration will be finished after hearing a beep sound. So here will be a adjust white color block and the plate tone block. This is how we finish the white calibration, and then change the white paper to the black one and press the button. After press the button B, black calibration will be finished after hearing a sound. So it's very easy to help you to calibrate the color sensor. And after that, you can see this is our overall programs for this gameplay. From the very start, we need to initialize the microboard to set the servo index from 1 to 4 to a certain angle, and to set the duration to a certain number. And then we need to judge if the current color is red, green, or blue. If it shows green, if it shows red, that we will set the angle to a certain degree and to show the string R on its LED screen. And then to set the RGB indicator to a corresponding color, red, and to show it. So very easy to understand. So if it is not a red, it may be green or maybe blue. So this part shows the same logic thinking for it. So very easy to understand. And you can see this is to judge the current color, and this part is to call the corresponding action group. We just need to set if the angle larger than 0, then it will make a certain action groups through this part. You can also decide it by yourself. So if you it's very easy to operate it and understand. You can try it by yourself. So if you still have any question, please feel free to contact us. See you there.